And finally, in this trick, we're going to be using a multi-band compressor to better keep and control the full dynamics of a drum loop. Now, my second drum loop sounds like this. Now, pay attention to these peak meters here. You can see that I'm overloading or distorting the fader. So that's not what we want. I'm distorting not only the audio track, but my stereo output. So in order to tame this drum loop, instead of adding a single compressor, I'm going to concentrate on using a multi-band compressor, which does the job of two things. You're identifying frequencies and then compressing those frequencies. So Logic's built-in multi-band compressor is called the multipressor, and it's split into a few segments, okay? You've got the gain change here, where you can also change the crossover points and makeup gain to each band of frequencies. You've got the compressor's individual threshold with all of the attack and release times here, and an expansion module or matrix just there. We're not going to concentrate on that too much though. So let's engage the multipressor and break down what we're doing to each of these four bands. So first and foremost, you can see that I've created lots of headroom for myself there. I'm no longer clipping. What I'm doing is identifying the really peaky values of this drum loop, particularly with regards to its frequency count, and compressing those. So let's start with the lowest band. If I just press the solo button here, every time I hit a frequency of 60 Hz, I'm compressing by a value of 4 to 1 at a threshold of minus 20 decibels. If we move over to the lower mids, my crossover point this time is 650 Hz. And again, you can see the compressor's threshold settings there along with the ratio. Don't forget, by adding more to this ratio, you're compressing more of the threshold's set value. Then when we move further up, we've got a spectrum value of 4400 Hz there. And then anything after 4400 Hz, so essentially up until the 20K band, we've got a threshold value of minus 27 to capture those really high hi-hats. They're really brash, quite sharp as well. If we sort of play that by itself now, you can see that getting to work. If I unsolo that and bypass that instead, you can really hear those hi-hats getting to work. So if I just engage this once more, so not only does the track sound a bit more in control now, we've also helped by allowing more headroom for the rest of our song.